Hi, in this video I'm going to try something completely ridiculous. I'm going to see if I can solve this cube with one hand and pick this lock at the same time with the other hand. This is a Burg Wachter dimple lock. I'll just show that the lock works. There we go, and it's locked. So to pick the lock I'm going to use a Z-bar and an honest dongshi dimple pick, and I'm going to use a vise because how else would you do it? So let's stick the lock in the vise there. I'm just going to pull the camera back so you can see everything, and let's put the tension wrench in there. I'm just going to use my little finger on the tension wrench to tension it, and here we go. I've never done this before, so the chances are it will not succeed. But that's okay. Shout if you can't see anything. Oh, I got the lock open. Yay. Okay. So now I just have to finish off the cube. And then I'll just show you that the lock is really open. Oh, it's an R-perm. Oh, and I've forgotten how to do an R-perm, of course. There. Okay, well I messed that up. Oh, and another R-perm. Oh wow, I really have forgotten how to do an R-perm one-handed. Okay. Wipe, that's got to be easier, right? Whew, there we go. So hang on, let's just get this lock out of there and show you that it's open. Yay! All right, so that was Rubik's Cube solved one-handed while picking a lock with the other hand. If you have any comments or questions on this ridiculous feat, please leave them below. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe and tell your friends. And thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it.